Even though I want to say that it's not that cold, I'm still wearing these big oversized Windstrike gloves because like it's not that cold out here. It's just that I'm touching all this cold metal and everything. It's getting my hands super wet and cold, so just having these strips to protect them and keep them warm. You know what I just realized? My gloves match the color of my bike. Black and white, except for this gray part. There they go again. About to fight. These two are always having problems, I swear. Alright, just pulled out of the gas station. Got me some good snacks here for practice today. Oh, hold on, my camera's not blurry. Sorry. It's gonna be such a good day to ride, but the guy that owns the track, Mike, he said that the track may be a little bit slippery because it's been raining a lot over here, so it might be a bit muddy, but it shouldn't be too bad because he's pretty good at prepping the track, and it hasn't been raining like in the last 2 days, so should be pretty good. We'll see when we get there.
Can't be jumping out my seat for everybody's mind and needs. No, that don't make me selfish, baby, that don't make me mean. I got my own life, and I got my own life. I can't be worried about no spacecraft, no artificial beat. No, that don't make me nervous, baby, that don't mean a thing. I got my own life, I got my own life. And you should get a life of your own now. I got my own life, I got my own life, and you should get a life of your own now.
I brought the worst shoes possible for these kind of conditions. Oh well. Take a look at how bad the track is. Ruts everywhere. Can't even walk. Look at all those ruts. I'm not complaining, but just need to find my groove. These kids are insane. It's so bad. I feel like I'm at the beach. Just sand everywhere collapsing on me. So me and him are gonna go out this practice because there's not that many big bikes, so it'll give us more time to practice on what we want to do, our line choices and everything. So we're gonna go see how this works out. Alright guys, so that motor went very well, as you guys can see. On this turn right here, I found the perfect line. Go all the way outside, go middle, and then go inside. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see how I'll do when it's dry now. Honestly, I think I like it like this. It's a bit more fun, because it's not as like perfect, like, you know, so when it's imperfect, that makes it more fun and more appealing, you know? Because if it's too, like, what's the word, too 100%, like, it's satisfying, and at the same time, it's like, not as satisfying because, you know, it's just perfect. So, it's fun to find perfect things on things that are imperfected. That's what makes it really fun. Good? You need any help? Alright, so my GoPro's SD card ran out of space, so I couldn't record my last moto, but let me tell you guys, it was really good. Like, there were a couple times where I almost like ate it, but that's because I was pushing hard, and then the ruts were getting pretty deep to where my feet were starting to drag on them, so me and my friend just called it a day, saying that we shouldn't get too greedy. After that last moto, I just decided to come pack it up and just head home before I get too tired, because I hate coming home tired and then like I gotta do other things and it just annoys me. So But yeah, today was a really good day. I didn't do like too much of how should I say, like sitting down and talking with you guys, but like I try to do as much as I can, like in between motos, because I get distracted with other things. So but yeah, so next weekend I have a race coming up. It's in Marysville. That's about like an hour and 30-minute drive for me, so I can only do Sunday because I work on Saturday, so I can't make it Saturday, so I can only do one day. So I'm gonna end the video right here before I have too many clips to edit. I'm gonna try to have this out as soon as I can. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below what you liked about it, what you didn't like, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you all later. Peace out.